Hey guys, Jenkins here with the SeedSpark CoLAB. Today I want to chat a little bit about what I have classified as collaboration currency. Collaboration currency is your most untapped resource as an entrepreneur or inside of your organization. What I mean when I say that is this is what you already have. These are things that you already own. A good filter for them to kind of get your head in the right space is it's part of your VCR assets. So yes, it could be you have vision that would be paramount, could create exponential outcome for someone else. You could have capabilities that are currently used in one particular way to produce a specific outcome. But if you would offer those capabilities to someone else who either has vision or has reach, it could be a huge unlock. And then lastly, one that I see so often is reach. Untapped reach. Folks with reach, and by the way, we all have reach. You all have trust relationships with a group or an association or a demographic or a local area or a religious, it could be anything. It could be a school that you're currently a professor at. It could be a local area where you have influence over a certain group, or it could be an association that you're part of and you've elevated to a place that you hold a leadership position and just your presence has and is extending a trust relationship to many others. So untapped reach is one of the most vital assets that I see. Most people are not leveraging whatsoever. All of those are examples of your collaboration currency. Sometimes I liken it to, I guess some of us carry a wallet. I typically do when I travel, but not so much locally, now that everything just kind of works off my phone. But years past, let's say that you're rummaging through your wallet or your purse and you found $100. It's like Christmas all over again. Think of that in the same vein as you think about your collaboration currency. These are resources that you haven't put to work. Yes, they're not conventional in that you don't have a line item in your accounting system of how you build that out on an invoice, monthly or even one-off. But this is serious resources, and resources you already have, resources you could put to work. Why does this matter? This takes us to what I call the CoLAB economy.